Hello everyone, welcome to Serpstat. This is Natalie as usual, and today before we begin our agenda, our proper agenda for today, I just want to give you all some information about our lead generation tool that we have over at Serpstat.com. So if you are interested in getting white label audits for your website, then this is definitely the tool for you. So what you just need to do is to head on over to Serpstat.com and then scroll down a little bit. If you want to get your free audit, you can do so by inputting information right over on these boxes. And also, if you want a free guide that shows you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot, then just leave your first name and email and then click on this Find Out How button so that you can be given that free guide. So having said all of those, let's now proceed to our main topic for today, which is still all about Serpstat. If you have been following this series, we have previously talked about the overview, the different overviews, let's say Serpstat as a whole, and then the project's dashboard, what you can expect from each project, or what you can expect Serpstat to bring into every project that you have. And if you haven't seen all of those videos, then I suggest that you go ahead and watch those first so that you can have a broader idea of what we'll be talking about today, which is how to set favorites here in Serpstat. So since this is a very what do you call this, a broad tool or application or solution rather, you can see a lot of features and functions right over here. So sometimes it can be pretty easy or pretty difficult to find what it is that you want, or the tool that you want to use all the time. So in order to avoid that confusion from happening, then you can just select a favorite, or you can make a feature one of your favorites so that you can come back to it easier, so you have better access to it, So it's just a simple clicking. All you need to do, so here you have the favorites tab, and as of now it's still blank. So all you need to do is, for example, for domain analysis, you like, or you are frequently using this function, then all you have to do is click onto this one so that you can add it to favorites, and then when you click on the drop down again for favorites, then you would find it there. So you can do that with the rest of the other functions. So there you go. So that's one quick way to locate all the features that you are using most of the time for specific purposes, so that you won't have to go through all the list over and over again, because it can tend to it can look a bit confusing at times. So that's one helpful tip that I can give you, so that you can utilize the tools better and faster when you're using Serpstat. So that is it for our video for today. Very easy, very simple. Just one click and you'd be able to set your favorite. So if you want to delete it, you can just simply click on that same pin, and there you go. You don't have it there anymore. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I also hope that you'd stick around for the rest of the videos I will be making for Serpstat. And also don't forget to visit Serpstat.com for that lead generation tool that I've mentioned earlier, and also to like this video and give us a comment, and also subscribe, of course, here in Serpstat. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.